Get in there, act as a team.
I'm just gonna go like this.
My new some vlog.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 7 in the morning right now and I'm getting ready to leave to go to Cars and Coffee, and it is so early, but you know me, I had to do a full face of makeup still early in the morning. This reminded me of like when I was in school and like high school and like had to get up like at the crack of dawn. School started really early and I'm just like, how did I do that every day? I mean, I kind of wake up for work early but not as early, and especially because like I don't have to get ready or anything. It's not that bad. I don't know why I started talking about some random stuff, but yeah, I believe it's like only 25 minutes away from me, so it's not that far. I don't usually go to Cars and Coffee just because they're so early and I don't like waking up that early, especially on the weekend when I don't have to wake up early. It's Sunday, so I just thought I'd make this into a little vlog. Gonna be in the rest of my day, but we'll see what we see. We're here. My sad car. I should have brought the tripod. I love that Miata. Oh, it's the Miata gang.
like you lost another one.
This is literally my dream car. One of them, one of my dream cars. More air freshener.
Story time. I'm not good at story time. Don't put the camera away. I'm a little camera shy. Alright. Okay, so I was going 63 on a 40. Was it 40, 45? Like 45. And the officer that pulled me over, I know him from my freshman year of boot camp. Like, what are the chances of that? Like, any freaking, any highway patrol, bro, in this whole freaking state of California, in the city of, what is it, Diamond Bar? Dude, the officers, like, I got really lucky. God bless.
Dan just got lucky from a ticket. That's all I gotta say. Bye!
Damn, static boys. Go, go! Yes. Oh, maybe. No, that was
Another one. Squad. and we're going to IHOP. It is so hot, you guys. Look who showed up. Okay, IHOP was a no-go because they can't see us together. So we're going to go eat steak. Where we're going.
Steakhouse, bro, this is the best. All right, this is the best steakhouse. We're gonna get in there. We're gonna act as a team, and we're gonna devour this whole meal together as a full squad, bro. This place is bomb, bro.
Longhorn Steakhouse. I've never been. Y'all, look at this.
Yeah.
Friends Nismo's here. Victoria Gardens. Friends Nismo's out. Going to work.
6 days a week.
6 days a week, grinding. Came to the Halloween store.
Yeah, he does.
Because we thought this was an Ulta, and it's not an Ulta anymore. Milk and cookies.
Bro.
Avocado. It's a pug, a doggy mask. A setting spray.
This guy knows like so everybody in the park.
Show your Morphe bag.
I failed.
He failed. Now he's a sim. It's okay to be a sim.
I'm a sim.
Boba. I'm gonna try it. Got a
college parties.
Milk tea. They call it messy milk tea.
It's like extra chocolatey.
It tastes like a regular milk tea.
He likes his honey.
Dan's leaving.
50%.
This thing is so good. Like, it was so good. I don't know what this thing is, but it's not caramel. It's not like chocolate or anything, but it was so bomb.
This was really good too.
What did you get? He got a caramel mocha smoothie.
Yeah.
We're such posers. We get no boba at boba places, but I just don't like it.
This is why I live in the forest vlogs.
Like, bye. You guys, so it is dark now, but I just finished making my TikTok. It took so long, but I just posted it, so go follow my TikTok. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put it below if it's not focusing. But we are going to another car meet. I know today's just been filled with like cars and like hanging out. It's been a good day today though. We're back. Kevin's here.
Hey. It's your moment. Hi. Tell us about it.
What's up, you guys?
What's up, vlog?
Guys, this lighting is so bad. I give up.